mat. In mountain pose, hands facing forward, palms facing forward. Centering ourselves, taking a couple of breaths. Deep belly breaths all the way down. And exhale fully. Inhale, raise the arms up towards the sky. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, plant your palms, step or hop back, come into plank pose. We'll drop the knees, the chest, and the chin. And then we'll come all the way forward into cobra. And then we'll push ourselves up and back, either through tabletop or straight back into down dog. Inhale, come up to the toes, bend the knees, step or hop to the front of the mat. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, fold in. And then rise all the way back up to stand. And then exhale, hands to heart center. We'll do this one more time. Inhaling, raising the arms up. Exhale, back forward. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, plant your palms, step or hop back, come into plank pose. Drop your knees, drop your chin and your chest, and then come all the way forward into cobra, and then push yourself up and back into downward dog. We're going to lower the knees all the way down towards the mat. We're going to inhale as we drop the belly down, lifting the chin up and the chest. Exhale, round your back, tucking your tailbone. Bring your chin to your chest. Inhale. And then exhale. We'll take 3 more rounds of this. Inhaling as we dip down. Exhaling as we round up. One more. Inhale as we dip down. Exhale as we round out. We're going to walk ourselves. We'll tuck our toes and we'll walk ourselves back. So we're sitting on our heels, having the toes all tucked in. We'll inhale, open the arms up wide. Exhale, we're going to bring the right arm underneath the left arm. And coming into eagle arms or holding your shoulders, giving yourself a hug. And we'll hold here. We're going to open the arms up. This time, left arm under right. If this ever becomes too much on your feet, you can always come out of it. But try holding for as long as you can. We'll release the arms, come back forward. We'll release the toes. If you want to, you can give them a little tap on the mat. And we're going to bring the knees all the way around and bring them out in front of you. So when we're here, we're going to take the right foot and we'll bring it in. And the left foot, you can either step it in front or you can step it all the way over the right knee. We're going to take a twist. So inhaling as we rise up, exhaling as we either hold the thigh and turn in, or you can hook the arm on the other side. Moving towards making the spine as straight as you can. And if you wanted to, you can look over the left shoulder. We'll take one more breath here. release, come back to center, and we'll unravel the legs. Now taking the left leg and bringing it in. And then the right leg can either step over or in front. We'll inhale, rise up. Exhale, we'll twist in. Twist all the way back to center. And now we're going to roll all the way down to our back. And we're going to extend both legs out long. And we'll bring the right knee in towards ourselves, giving it a hug. Then we'll extend the right leg up. And if you wanted to, you could grab behind the thigh or behind or on the calf. And we're just going to slowly try to pull or just gently bring the leg towards you. You can always have the other leg bent if that feels more comfortable. Lower the leg all the way back down, and we'll do the same thing on the other side, bringing the left knee in, and then extending the foot all the way up. Bring both knees into the chest, bring the knees wide, and feet up towards the sky. And we'll come into a happy baby. You can either grab your big toes with the peace fingers or the inside or the outside of the foot. You can sway from side to side. Release and bring our feet all the way up towards the ceiling, letting the blood drain down from the feet back to the heart. Slowly bring the legs all the way back down, and we'll come into Shavasana. You can stay here for as long as you'd like, letting yourself melt into the ground, getting ready for a good night's sleep.